All right, tangent lesson B. Basically finding the angle like we've been doing before. Starting with the idea that the tangent is, of course, of some angle, is the opposite from that angle over the adjacent. But in this case, in all these problems, we're going to be looking for that angle. So the ultimate play here is to find the inverse tangent of whatever the opposite over the adjacent is. So let's try it out on this one. So here we're looking for this angle, and for this angle, this is the opposite. Make a note of that. And this is the hypotenuse, not worried about it, so that makes this the adjacent. So if I jump to this, that means that angle is going to be the inverse tangent, the second tangent of opposite, 140, over adjacent, which is 83. And so when you pull out your calculator, if you recall, it goes something like this. You do this division first. So you do the 140 divided by 83, get an answer. Then do second tangent. So here's tangent, but here's tangent. But before I do anything, I hit this second or inverse button, depends on your calculator. But second, now I can hit the tangent button. And it's a 59.3 degree angle. Let's try it again. So down here, identify your opposite and adjacent. So this would be my opposite over here. I always make sure I know what the hypotenuse is, even though it doesn't matter in this case, and then the adjacent's here. I always identify opposite, hypotenuse, and then adjacent, because adjacent to me is the easiest one to mix up. I want this angle, so that's going to be, that angle is going to be the inverse tangent of the opposite, 427, over the adjacent, 1217. And so once again, type that in the calculator. We do the division first, clear everything out. So 427 divided by 1217, and then do second tangent. That's a 19.3 degree angle. This one, for this angle, this is the one we're worried about. That's opposite. This is hypotenuse. That must make this the adjacent. So our angle is going to be the inverse tangent of 2.9, the opposite side, over the adjacent, which is 5. And so I do 2.9, clear everything out. I do 2.9 divided by 5, get an answer, and then do second tangent, 30.1. Try this last one on your own. Identify opposite and adjacent first, and then go ahead and do this, and see if you get the right answer. So pause the video and come back. All right, so we got opposite. Means this is the adjacent. So the angle is going to be the inverse tangent of 108 over 115. So I got 108 divided by 115, and then do second tangent, 43.2. There we go.